little artists! Do you love yummy hot chocolate? Today, we are going to draw a cute cup of hot chocolate together.
Yay!
Let's start drawing.
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
First, draw a big U-shaped cup, nice and smooth. Now, draw a handle on one side of the cup. Great job! Let's draw some cube-shaped marshmallows on top. 1, 2, 3. So cute! Now, draw a swirl-shaped cream on the marshmallows. Wow, looks yummy! Draw a candy cane on one side of the cup. Curvy and fun. Now, let's make it cute. Draw 2 tiny eyes and a smiling mouth on the cup. Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Now, make the outline bold and sharp to make the artwork pop. Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now, it's time to color. Let's name the colors together. Red color.
Wow!
Yellow color.
La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Cream color. Blue color. Chocolate color. Pink color. Purple color. Dark pink color. Light cream color.
La da 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 dee.
Light blue color. Wow, awesome coloring! Great job, little artists! Your hot chocolate drawing looks amazing. Keep drawing, keep coloring, and keep smiling. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub. See you in the next fun drawing!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.